Over the 10 years, his hair has receded. Now he is 54 years old with a male pattern hair loss level 3. Now it's exactly 2 weeks after the procedure. It's only 2 weeks from the technique of Smart FEE. We can see on the right side and the left side, the right side is more deeply receded compared to the left. So this part we have filled up more, we increase the density, the angle and direction is all according to the existing international standard. Then we can see this is his original hair, this is the original hair. We try to match the density and we follow the angle or direction at the side at the parotid area. This is the hairline from here to here. This is the lateral point, this is the anterior point, this is the lateral point. So this is the area that we harvested in the Smart FEE technique. Upper part here, the hair is longer. When we release this will cover from up to down. This whole hair will cover this area. It's already 3 weeks, we can see the hair already started to grow back to cover this harvesting area.
I would like to say thank you to Professor Dr. Jess and the team for the job well done.